G'day y'all, Mr. Shea Play with Shea Play Homestead doing a video, checking out the birds. That's what we got going on. Check out. I gotta put the feeder for the roosters into underneath. It's starting to rain, so it doesn't get all wet like before. We'll do that right now, real quick. Some of them you would swear to God they were a hen. Like, look at that one, small compared to the other roosters there. The ground's dirty in here. Hey, you can tell the ones that are more docile. Some nice roosters. These are all meat roosters. He's a pretty. He's a Brahma, dark one, just like this one. They got messed up toes. Look at their toes. That's why I'm not breeding them. Their toes are all crooked. They were all born like that. Look at this one. Real weird. The rest of them are fine. It's just on the Brahmas. You're a Brahma too, and you're normal, but I don't know what the heck kind of breed you are. Alright, I'm going to push this. How much feed's in here anyway? Oh. Boys, you guys are eating a lot. I got to fill this up. You got lots of water. Alright. I'm getting out of here, starting to rain. I can hear it hitting the top. Now I've been locking this really good, and I even put a little clip to make sure it doesn't open. I even put this on there. It doesn't go in the hole anymore, but so yeah, let's go around real quick. Garden's doing pretty good here. We'll take a detour for a second. A little late on the garden, but these are all my beans. All right, that's Chubbs. And Bertha. All right, I want to go see the little ones. Are y'all getting along in here? Or? Probably not. Way more birds in here. Where's all the new ones? All right, so this is what we got going on in here. Whole lot of. So there we got. I don't think those are the new ones. Oh, yes, they are. They are the new ones. Well, we're missing some. Where's the rest of them? So there's my bigger Americanos over there. These are small ones, but I'm still missing a couple. Must be over here. Maybe around the corner. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there they are. You guys spilled her again. Alright, I'm just leaving it there for now. Until I put more in. Sorry, the camera was all crooked. Didn't realize. So these ones are taking lots of food. Obviously, there's lots of birds in here. I think I got about 55-ish in here right now. They're all getting along somewhat now, and I spend a little bit of time in here watching them, so whoever's the ones being more aggressive are the ones that disappear over to the rooster pen. So what we got going on now, she's beautiful. Look at the black lace one, the Brahma, the hen right here. And there we got rooster over here. The only one I'm not sure of is this one right here, and it's a crested lag bar. I'm hoping it's a hen, but I don't know. It's starting to get pretty sure it's a hen. And this one's pretty cool too. Pretty neat birds. They're the ones I was going to sell, but they're like the coolest birds I got as far as like the crest on their head, so I don't really want to get rid of them. I got like an addiction to keeping all the hens. But I mean, like, look at all the golden lace. Who's fighting? It's just cool to see all the different breeds. So like, reason I do these videos is because, I mean, I got a pile of different breeds. A lot of them are purebreds. Some are obviously mixture, and that's how it got spilled. Look how big the Americanos are getting. Put this over here out of the way. Put that over there for now. There, I'm glad I got my roof on anyway, because it was leaking in here really bad. Wasn't fully complete. Now it's all shingled, and I got ice and water shield across the whole roof. My braces need to be obviously better. I gotta put another brace right here in the middle to brace the roof here, and I'm gonna put a couple more 2x4s just like this one right underneath, because I put these the wrong way. I knew that whenever I was putting them down, just so that I could put them flat up here instead of putting your 2x4 here. Really, that's what you should have did, and I wanted to do it, but I didn't want to build I only had so many 2x4s, and this was the easiest way. So I put them close together. I put them closer together like that, and I just screwed down them on top of the roof. So that's where I was getting some leakage, and like obviously here too in this corner, but I mean, so yeah, what I was saying is it's cool to see all the different breeds, and the reason I'm doing all the videos is so that everybody that's curious on, you know, what breeds they want to get or might want to get, well, I got a pile, so I can tell you what I like and what I don't like, and I can tell you which ones are my favorite. I can tell you, you know, see, there's that one that, look at him. He just doesn't act normal, look. The Americanos are huge. Like, they're going to be some big birds. Look at the black one. They always hang out together. They think there's feed in the feeder, so they're all over there in the corner. That's the one that was getting his neck all pecked off. You're like a naked neck golden lace. Some of them are quite a bit bigger, like these ones. But I got different age ones. There's all the ones out of the tent. So they see how they, like I said, they all stick together. So I had bunches, like hatches of birds together, and like all the Americanas were hatched together. All these Americanas were hatched together. They were just in the tent together. I don't think any of the birds will pick on them because they're all very similar breeds, and they're all very docile too. So, which means they have very good temperament. So any birds that pick on each other, like I said, they become meat birds. Whether or not you got 10 roosters together or not, if you got 10 roosters together and you have a couple roosters that are more aggressive, guess what? Put them together somewhere and they'll figure their shit out. That's what I do. I don't find it mean. Some people think that might be mean, but I disagree. I find if you have a rooster that's more aggressive, the only way to really figure his stuff out is put him with a really aggressive rooster. See, that's a hen picking on a rooster. And all she's doing is showing that she's dominant. And he's actually scared of her. Until he gets bigger. But she still might be dominant. She could be one of those mean hens that I have over on the other side of the coop. But yeah, so like I was saying, when you have a mean rooster, the best thing to do, in my opinion, is lock them up in a pen. And I have a pen in the coop that's a 4x4 where Chubbs is right now. And if, say, for instance, Charlie's a big rooster, but I would put him with Chubbs. If he was being really aggressive and he was starting to bite me, I'd put him with Chubbs, and then Chubbs would put him in his place, because Chubbs is the adult rooster. Even though he's locked up in the pen, Charlie thinks he's an adult rooster until he gets in the pen with an adult rooster. That's what happened with Stanley. I used Stanley as my king rooster, and Chubbs was acting up one day. I put Chubbs in with Stanley, and now, well, Stanley's gone because I sold him, but Chubbs basically, bowed down to Stanley and knew that Stanley was in charge. So Chubbs wouldn't eat until Stanley ate. Just the way it was. This one here I gotta put in the pen. That's a rooster for sure. I don't know. Doesn't have really pointy feathers. But he's in rough shape. His foot's in bad shape. I don't know. It's like his feet. His feet is, I don't know. It's like the bones are no longer. I don't know. Something wrong with his foot for sure. Anyway, can't leave him like that. There, he's gonna go in the tent with the other one. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now. So just give me a second. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna grab him, and then we're gonna put him in the other tent with the other one. So now we just have the two that I'm gonna cull. So I might do that today, and cull a couple of the ones that aren't healthy. I would even do that Jubilee, but I'm gonna give him a chance. And if I get really, really energetic, maybe I'll do a few of the roosters in the other pen, but I'll start with a couple anyway. And I might just try skinning them instead of actually plucking them, but see, he's a rooster too, I'm pretty sure. So he might disappear, but he's beautiful, he's black. Those are birds that people like myself would love to buy if I didn't have them now. Like if I had the chance to buy a black Americana, wouldn't you? You know what I mean? Like if you wanted like black birds and with the blue gene, you know. And if you want some green eggs, well, you can breed him with all these Brahmas, and you can get some Americana Brahmas. They're gonna lay green. Wouldn't that be pretty cool? Or take these Jubilees, mix them with your Americana, and you'd have Americana Jubilee, and they would lay green. You know, you're gonna get God knows what you're gonna get with a black Americana or a blue Americana mixed with, you know, a Jubilee. Or you could take the splash one, you know, and mix a splash one with, yeah, it's fun to mix all the different ones. That's how I got these ones. Look at, she's a pretty cool bird. And like I said, I still got, so these are my hens, my Brahma hens. I got one there, one there. That's my rooster, one of them. I don't know which ones I'm keeping yet, but whatever one grows the biggest and whatever one's not aggressive. The more I look at that one, it's a hen now. I'm glad I got at least one buff Brahma hen. A little bit darker than I wanted, but whatever. Yeah, so these are all hens. I wanted to mark them all, but they're not hard to tell. It's just the roosters. I don't want the roosters' tails to grow, and then you won't be able to tell them apart. They're beautiful. You doing, Charlie? But like he's a bigger rooster. She's a pretty hen. Another rooster. So see what I mean? He's bigger. He's bigger than this one. And there's always going to be a more dominant one. Two nice hens, three nice hens right there. All right, I gotta put this one in the tent. Cheers, y'all. Have a good day. I know it's raining, but enjoy your day. Cheers. Peace.